Hello Year 10 and 11, welcome to your tutorial on how to make a revision clock for the plot of Stave 4 in A Christmas Carol. Okay, let's get started. So, oh, sorry, my squirrel can't quite get in there. Really need to get a ruler. Okay, so first point. Scrooge, so this is after, obviously, he's left the ghost a Christmas present. He doesn't go back to bed at this point, so Scrooge is greeted. I suppose greeted is the wrong word, but I'm going to use it anyway. By the ghost of Christmas, just shortening it there, yet to come. Okay, in your exam, obviously don't write Xmas, okay, and also in your exam, don't write the ghost of Christmas future, okay, it's the ghost of Christmas yet to come, okay. It's described as like a grim reaper type figure, described as a phantom. Okay, we won't look at quotes right now. Okay, so Scrooge is greeted by the ghost of Christmas yet to come as like a grim reaper type figure. Okay. And the first, so this is obviously things in Scrooge's future. So the first section we're taking to is a conversation between two businessmen. Okay. The spirit takes Scrooge to a conversation between two men, and they show indifference about a man's death. At this point, the man isn't named, but we've all kind of guessed it's Scrooge. Okay, sorry if that's a spoiler alert, but you all should have read it by now. Okay, so they show indifference about a man's death. Okay, Scrooge at this point is none the wiser, which part of me thinks, well, is Scrooge a bit stupid? Because this is all about him, isn't it? All the other memories have been about him. Why would this one not be? Okay, this happens several times with different groups of people. Just small exchanges talking about how they're not really that concerned about the death of this man. Like, he didn't seem to have any friends. Okay, and point number 5. Okay, and at this point, the spirit takes Scrooge to a pawn shop. So if you're not sure what a pawn shop is, it's a place where essentially you can take goods and get money for them, and you know, in theory, you could buy them back. Well, these people probably have no intention of buying them back because they've stolen them, these things, from this dead man. Okay? Okay. Again, Scrooge still doesn't realise it's him. Okay. Again, I'm questioning kind of his intelligence here. Right, point number 6. Okay. And then quite creepily, and probably one of the most gothic parts of the novella, and this is obviously a very gothic stave with the nature of the ghost. Okay, the spirit then takes Scrooge to observe the dead man in his bed. Okay, but it doesn't reveal his face, so Scrooge still doesn't realise it's him. Okay, so Scrooge, he observes the dead man in his bed without revealing his face, but doesn't realise who it is. Okay, Scrooge is understandably getting a little bit freaked out now. Okay, and also very concerned that nobody seems to care this man has died. Okay, so we're starting to see Scrooge kind of, evoke certain emotions here. This is, where his change really starts to gain acceleration. Okay, so he asks the spirit to show him some emotion associated with this man's death. Okay, so he asked him to show the spirit show him some emotion associated with this man's death. Okay, and the spirit does, but probably not quite how Scrooge was thinking. Okay, the spirit reveals a couple who are relieved as they were in debt to the dead man. Okay, so that is an emotion, relief. Sorry, it's a bit squashed. Okay, so she was a couple who, so this says, the spirit shows reveals a couple who are relieved as they were in debt to the dead man. Okay, and probably not quite what Scrooge had in mind, okay, but it is an element of emotion. Okay, and then point number 9. Okay, the scene moves to the Cratchits. Okay, we learn that Tiny Tim is dead. And the family are understandably devastated. So this kind of fulfills the prophecy that the Ghost of Christmas Present said. He said that you observed an empty chair, so he kind of predicted that Tiny Tim would be dead next Christmas. Okay, and this appears to fulfill the prophecy. So this creates a certain element of fear within Scrooge. Okay, so point number 10. Scrooge getting more and more emotional here, again, kind of showing that change in him. Okay, Scrooge clearly moved, so like kind of emotionally moved, begs the spirit to reveal the man's identity. At this point, he must know. He's just been shown the Cratchits. Okay, the Cratchits are, very linked to Scrooge. Okay. And then point number 11. Okay. He is shown his own grave. So it's revealed to be him. Okay. And he pleads with the spirit to reverse his fortune. Oh, sorry, I've repeated myself there. Pleads with the spirit to reverse his, we'll call it fate, his fate. Okay, he says that he'll change, he's not the man he was, etc., etc. Okay, and then the last point of the stave, he finds himself in his own bed. We'll say he's alive, finds himself alive in bed. Okay, so he realises, it's at this point he's going to realise that he's got a chance to kind of change things. Okay, so that was your revision plot clock for Stave 4. Okay, I hope that was useful. Again, as with previous videos, if I've gone a little bit too fast or the writing's a little bit squashed, you can kind of repeat little parts of the video just to make sure you've got everything. Okay, get yourself a piece of paper, draw your clock, and just obviously annotate along. Okay, I hope that was useful. Thank you very much.